All right, I wanted to put out a quick video to go over a trade that we was looking at in the live room today. And obviously, if you're in the TierOne platform, you're going to see how we really drill down and get involved in this should price action push up to the zone that I'm looking at. But I wanted to share it with you guys on YouTube as well, because although you're not going to actually see me get involved in the trade, because we're only posting those videos and going through these trades inside the platform. I just wanted to give you a brief sort of overview of what we're looking at. And if you do want to go inside the platform, you can just go and join, and you get access to inside the platform, the TierOne program, and I'll see you on the inside of that. But essentially what we're looking at is, on the screen, what you can see, we're looking at the daily on the AUDCAD, and we've recently approached this dollar flat level. Now, we know that with all the psychology in the market, we know these even handle numbers are respected. If we just draw on our horizontal line here, you're going to see that this level's respected time and time again. So we've got support, resistance. Every time that it's tested, more often than not, we see a reaction at that level. Nice rejection candles here. And you can see, more often than not, each time that $1 flat level is tested, it's respected. And that's the level that we've just pushed up. And the reason it has some significance here is because we've recently double topped at that level. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop down to the 4-hour time frame, which is one of my trading time frames. This is a swing trading time frame, and you can see we had this double top up here, had this nice bearish rejection candle here as well on the second test. And what we've done since then, if we're just reading price action here, you can see we're putting in higher highs, then we finally double topped, and then we violated the retracement, and we've pushed to the downside. Now, what we were looking at is a potential 2618 trade. So anyone familiar with a 2618? If you're inside TierOne, you obviously are, because you've got access to the course. But 2618 trade is a bit more of a conservative approach to a short once we've had that confirmation that a directional move has been protected, and we see some bearish pressure, and we see a break to the downside. So instead of just trading a double top, we're looking at a bit more of a conservative approach, and waiting for a break and close below the retracement, and then we're looking for a pullback up into a 618. But what I'm going to share with you today, and if you're in the TierOne, we're going to be really looking at this in the morning in tomorrow's live room, and looking to get involved if price action can push up. But what we're going to do is we're going to build a bit of a case for entry up here, because if we can push up into this zone, first things first, we have structure, right? We've got this previous structure support level, as you can see right here. If we bring on our fib retracement tool, you're going to see if we go from swing high to swing low, we've got that 618 right up in that zone as well, and that's where you'd be looking for the typical 2618 trade, right? So looking up at this level, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to build out a bit more extra confluence in this zone to sort of use many filters to build out a very high probability trading zone where we're likely to see the reaction there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring on an equal measured move. We know these levels, we know these equal measured moves are respected in the market as well. You see that completes right up at that level as well. And then what we can do is we can bring on our fib extension tool and build on some extra confirmation. You see we've got a 127 extension up there. Let's just clear off all of this stuff. All right, so we've got a 127 extension. That's fib confluence lining up with the 618. And what else we can do is use an inversion. So bring on our fib extension tool, use it as an inversion from this most recent move, and you can see we've got that 1414 lining up as well. Now that's not a major fib ratio, but it is a minor fib ratio, and I like to use that for confluence, and many of the other traders do as well. So 127 extension, 1414 inversion, 618 retracement. We've got an equal measured move. We've got structure. And that, coupled with the fact that we've seen this rejection up here, the double top at the even handle $1 flat level, this will provide a very decent trading opportunity for a short. Now, tomorrow I'm going to be going into, when we open the live room in the morning, if price action is up at this level, I'm going to be going through how I'm going to get involved in this and hopefully get involved in this trade. I'll show you the entry technique and how we get involved. But I thought I'd share this with you. If you're inside Tier 1, obviously watch this, and I'll see you in the live room in the morning. And obviously the updates of this trade will be posted into the chat inside there as well. If you're watching this on YouTube, go over to Tier 1, sign up, come into the program, and I'll see you on there. So until tomorrow, guys, take care, good luck in your trading, and I'll see you then.